In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to rotate text in Clipchamp quickly and easily. If you're creating social media videos, YouTube shorts, presentations, or promotional content, rotating text can help you create dynamic layouts and more eye-catching designs. The good news is that Clipchamp makes this process very simple once you know where to look. So if you've been trying to figure out how to turn your text vertically or rotate it by 90 degrees, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Clipchamp tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either start a brand new project or open an existing one where you've already added text. Once you're inside the editor, make sure you're on the main timeline view, where you can see your video clips and text layers. If you haven't added text yet, you can quickly add a text element from the Text tab and place it onto your timeline. But for this tutorial, we'll assume you already have a text box added to your project. Next, go down to the timeline and click directly on the text box layer that you want to rotate. This is very important because Clipchamp only shows editing options for the element that is currently selected. When you click on the text layer, you'll notice that it becomes highlighted, and editing controls will appear around it in the preview window. You may also see formatting options appear in the toolbar above. Make sure the correct text layer is selected before moving on to the next step. Now, look at the toolbar above the text box in the preview area. You'll see several formatting options, such as font, size, alignment, and other controls. In that toolbar, click on the three dots, which represent More Options. This is where Clipchamp hides some additional settings that aren't shown in the main toolbar by default. After clicking the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear with extra controls for your selected text element. From that drop-down menu, click on the option that says Rotate by 90 degrees. As soon as you click it, your text will instantly rotate 90 degrees inside the preview window. If you want to rotate it further, you can continue clicking the same Rotate option again to turn it another 90 degrees each time. This allows you to position your text vertically, upside down, or back to its original orientation, depending on your design needs. After rotating your text, you can click and drag it within the preview window to reposition it exactly where you want it. You can also resize it using the corner handles to make sure it fits perfectly within your layout. Rotated text works especially well for side labels, creative titles, vertical captions, or stylized intro screens. Take a moment to adjust the placement so it aligns nicely with your other visual elements. And that's it. That's how you rotate text in Clipchamp. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks once you know where the rotate option is located. Just select the text box in the timeline, click the three dots in the toolbar, and choose Rotate by 90 degrees. It's quick, simple, and gives you more creative control over your video design. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Clipchamp editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.